Thought I'd do a brief midweek video just to continue with triangles. One of the things that I omitted from the first video was a draw command within the triangle class. So I started doing this and I couldn't get that to work. If you've looked at my GitHub, you'll see it's commented like this. So for some reason draw wasn't working. I've created 3 points here as well, just to draw a simple triangle, well, to create a simple triangle. And so T is now my triangle. So if I run that, it should have those points down there, 10, 10, 110, 120 and 10, 230. So I think all the problem that I had, I should do T, draw, and I think I need these. This is what was confusing me. So if I do that, I don't get a triangle there. But I think what I haven't done is, if you look at here I've got self when I'm referring to these things. So I've got to put self in front of those points. So let's just do that. Let's see whether that does anything. All right, so that then says function takes 0 positional arguments, but 1 were given. I think previously when I'd done that, I'd removed that draw to see whether that worked. That works, but it doesn't draw anything. But what I missed out was sending self to it. When I tried this, it worked. I'm still not sure of this, but obviously when you're initializing one, you're saying refer to self, and you've got self here just for the string. So I've just added self there. Let's see whether that one works. And let's put those back. Yeah, so that was my problem. I'd missed out self there. The other thing I wanted to do was to be able to mirror that triangle. Now maybe just mirror it in the X direction. How could I do that? Well, I'm going to create a mirror routine up here. Def mirror X, and that accepts T, which is your triangle. If I'm just doing it with the X, I've got to start with the width of the screen over here and take off this distance there, which will be that distance in. So I'm not going to walk through the code. I'm just going to type this code in and run it and just show you I've got a mirrored triangle. Okay, so there's the mirror. So all I'm doing really in this code is X width is the width of the screen, and on the X things I'm creating a new variable that's temporarily, it's going to store the X, but I'm going to take the X of the existing point away from the width of the screen, and then create a new triangle, and each of these points is the new X value and the old Y value from the existing T that you sent in, and it returns a new triangle. So you see what I do here. I draw the first one, I create a second one based on that first one, that mirroring of it, and then I can print it so I can see the numbers have changed from the other edge, and then do a draw, and that gives me a replication of that triangle on the other side of the screen. In the next full-blown video, I'm going to be looking at filling this triangle in. So for that, I'm going to be using the triangle class I've created. However, I'm going to be using a completely different triangle drawing routine.